So I'm kind of in the job right now. I also was told that the mass airflow sensor was bad. You got to buy this nice little housing. It's the 21136S. Here's your old factory one. Yeah, looks the same. Okay, we'll get this. Go ahead and take your rubber gasket off your old one so we can fit it on your new one. And it's held in by 2 Torx bolts. Let me see the size for you. The size is T25s. This only goes on one way, so you're not going to screw it up. You just keep rotating it until it lines up correctly. Press it in nice and firm. Rotate as if need be. Which that works out perfect. All right. A 3 to 6 inch extension will be necessary if you want to make your life a little easier. It's plastic, so you don't want to go too crazy and on turning it. Just snug it up. There. Let's get this put back in. It's on hinges, so it needs to go down first. Now I'm just gonna put it underneath here, and then gotta force it up in there. It's got these little metal clamps, a couple of those. Metal clamp fell off in the process. Oh, that's like it's caught. Oh, there it is. Yeah, it's caught. It was caught on the bottom. There. Let's get this all snug back up. Here we go. Now this connector does have a white locking tab. So once we get it connected, you push in on the bottom. And that's your new mass airflow sensor.